have 7 years old twin boys, and they're in a stage where sometimes they love their soft toys and the very next moment they act like this big boys with big dogs. And that was a challenge I was facing while designing their room to reflect their personality into their space. So today I'm going to share with you our kids room. We didn't want our kids' room to be screaming with colors that it's a kids' room. What we wanted was a classy, elegant room with all the cuteness it's needed. And that is the direction we have taken here. We have plenty of daylight pouring into this small room, and I took it as a perfect opportunity to go with a darker color. We painted the walls with this color called Deep Secret from Benjamin Moore, which is a deep grey with blue undertone. It's so beautiful to see how this shade changes with different lighting situations throughout the day. We also did this accent wall in the color Moonshine, and this muted wallpaper from Potterybarn took the center stage. And a frame detailing to the wallpaper added a lot of character to the space. All my son Nathan wanted was a reading space, and we incorporated this open bookshelf and an oversized fabric armchair to soften the space, and a round cute little side table to break all the straight lines happening in the room. And that was a perfect spot for me to display our Mrs. Pots. I made it even more functional by adding this charging station for their Apple Watches. I'm so glad that I found this vintage floor lamp with this gold detailing and some patina over it, and it's giving me a French street vibe having this wallpaper behind it. And few frames down from the memory line makes the room feel more lived in. We did this vinyl wood flooring over the tiles and added a round carpet to finish the look. A bunk bed can bring lot of fun into a kid's room, especially when they have cousins and friends to come over, and I can already see a lot of cousin party happening here. I laid the bed with a cute rabbit printed linen and a muted natural tone quilt and pillows to warm up the room with all the cool colors happening around, and it perfectly ties in with the linen curtains. I could also hang this extra long lumbar pillow, which adds a lot of charm to the bedding. More storage for extra beddings and a wicker basket with cute detailing to keep things off the bed. We don't have a wardrobe in this room, but this room definitely did call for a cloth hanger to keep it more functional. And I had this small pocket space for that. So I DIY'd this Potterybarn inspired wash shelf and styled it functionally. The most asked question for the past 7 years of our life is, are they twins? They are not identical? Yes, they are twins. No, they are not identical. And now that's on the wall, and that's it. Period. I hope you all enjoyed our kids room, and please don't forget to like and let me know in the comment section what do you feel about our kids room. And we'll see you all on the next episode.